Yes, this is the man GN, and I'm back with this Benz 450 SLC, repairing of the rotted out rocker panel, the rotted out wheel well, and the rotted out jack point anchor. Now you see here, got that rocker cut off and exposing the interior area of all the damages, and also up in the top of the wheel well there. You see, yeah, cavities appeared up there over the years. Now let's take a look at this right here. So as you see here, this is the inside panel, and this is the inside floor panel. Now what I did here, you see it is rotted out all the way down to the back. So what I did here, I grind it out and I secure that holes and seal up those holes with what you're looking at there. That's fiberglass. I used the matte and resin and seal this up. It's as if I'm using seam sealer or caulk to seal up those rust out holes. Now this will ensure a long last repair, and also this will be on the inside. Once the rocker goes over it, it'll be on the inside, so no one will ever see this unless you cut this car up and take the rocker off. But the rocker will be welded underneath. And looking at that flange right there, look at that flange. Now I got a template here cut for the end piece here, and I'll always use cardboard to cut out my template. There's a template that I got cut. I meant to say before, I got the cardboard template there ready to cut out this replacement piece, and here it is. I'm going to proceed to weld it in. Pretty much got it welded in, gave it a couple of spot welds right there on that lower part. Now I'm here in the back. This is a rear wheel well, and I made a little mistake up this back here by going a little bit too fast and not paying attention to something else that I need to do first. Yeah. So again, I always use cardboard for my template, and cut my pieces out, and you know, get these pieces cut out of any solid metal that around the shop, whether it's a fender or a hood or a door, or wherever you get a nice, wherever I can get a nice solid piece of metal from to fit what I'm doing. So here I got it welded in, and now it's time to get onto this jack point.
Okay, got all in here well up, but I think I should have wait to weld this piece on so I can able to get this well up in here. This is where this goes right here.
So this jack point here, this was the only one that it was still sitting up in there. You notice the anchoring area is not rotted out like the other three, like they were. What I gotta do now, and see the anchoring piece still up in there, it just was barely holding on. So what I gotta do with that, I gotta fabricate a strap to hold that in. So what I did, I cut this cardboard template here, and as you see here, yeah, you see there, that's the way I'm gonna lap it around and weld it in, and that will secure it back in place. And that will keep it from tearing out like that when pressure reach it during jacking.
Yeah, I got this piece I've just cut out. Yeah, I started to already form it inside it's this way. Put it back in the vise. Get it turn up nice so I can slip it round it. Get a nice round shape. Alright, I think that's good enough right there. Let me go and try it, see how it fits. Yeah. That's it. That's it right there. So I gotta weld it in, but I'm gonna have a hard time welding this side right here because, like an idiot, I went on and weld this piece in. Now I'm gonna have a hard time to weld up in that corner up in here, but somehow I gotta get it done. I'm gonna stick the nozzle down in there and get it welded in. Alright.
Yeah, so I'm preparing right now to weld it in. Get my clamp on. That's my ground clamp to ensure that I get a solid solid penetration of this bracket here, because that bracket is very, very thick. Yeah, somehow the matrix happening right there. So I got it all welded in now. As you see, I was able to get the nozzle up in there and weld that side there, and you know, got it welded all the way around. You can check it out there. Now that will ensure that it's strong enough to get the job done when being used. Once the jacket slide inside that hole and proceed to lift, yeah, with the hole sturdy and strong, even stronger than what the factory have. Yeah, that's just throwing that in there, but it's nice and solid now, and now it's time to get this piece welded in that I fabricated.
Okay, got this piece all fabbed up, and it's It's going to go right in this corner right here, right there. So we'll be placing it up in there and clamp it down. Yeah, go right up in that corner right there. So again, get it all clamped in and proceed to welding it in. All right. So yeah, there it is. Holes already pre-drill to be weld right there. Yeah. All right, here we have it.
Yeah, so this wraps up this segment of this repair. So keep it locked, stay tuned for more to come on this Benz 450 SLC restoration, and that's a body up restoration. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you're a new viewer. Make sure you subscribe, because there's a ton more of content to come. Alright, again, thanks for watching.